In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable pop-ups on Google Chrome. If a website you trust isn't working properly, maybe a sign-in window won't appear, a payment portal won't load, or a file download pane is missing, there's a good chance Chrome is blocking a pop-up that the site actually needs. By default, Chrome blocks most pop-ups to keep your browsing safer and cleaner. The good news is you can allow pop-ups on a site-by-site basis, so only the specific website you trust gets permission while the rest of the web stays protected. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the browser window for the three vertical dots. That's the More menu. Click it and then select Settings. This opens your main browser control panel, where all the important privacy, security, and content options live. Take a moment to let the page load fully so everything is easy to find. Next, locate Site Settings. Depending on your Chrome version, you'll typically find it under the Privacy and Security section. Click into Site Settings to see controls that affect how websites behave in your browser. Now, scroll down to the Content section. You're looking for the option labeled Pop-ups and Redirects. Go ahead and select that. This is where you can fine-tune when Chrome should allow or block those extra windows and redirections. To let a trusted site show pop-ups, focus on the Allowed section. Click the Add button. A small box will appear asking for the site address. Type or paste the exact web address of the website you're using. For example, the main domain shown in your address bar. Double-check the spelling and make sure you're adding the correct site. When you add it here, Chrome understands that pop-ups from this specific site are permitted, and it won't block those windows again. That's the entire manual fix. You've just told Chrome to allow pop-ups for a site you trust, without opening the door to unwanted windows from everywhere else. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to this same area in Settings and adjust your choices later. For best results, only add sites you recognize and rely on, like your bank, a school portal, or a service you regularly use. This keeps your browsing secure while still letting essential pop-ups do their job. Manual fix complete. You're all set. Done.